Hi, my name is Lori. I'm with Bat Conservation and Management, and today we're going to talk about putting a bat house on the side of a building. We have our 3-chamber day lodge from BCM with mounting hardware, and we also have our siding mount kit and hardware since we're installing on the side of a building. There's a lot of pros and cons to putting the bat house on the side of a building. For the full discussion of those advantages and disadvantages, go to our website, batmanagement.com, and download our manuals. The big advantage of mounting on the sunny side of the building is the bats love to take advantage of the radiant heat coming from the building all night. So we need to make sure that the bat house is at least 10 feet off the ground so that the bats have an unobstructed swoop zone to drop out of. So we're going to work on putting together our siding mount first. So we'll put our 2x4s down. We have our perch panel. We put the scratch side down. We're going to square that up to our 2x4 and put 2 of the short screws in. Okay, so now we're going to flip around the perch panels and our 2x4. Square it up again and put in our 2 short screws. Now that we have both our siding mount completed and our bat house assembled, we need to go ahead and paint both. We painted our bat house and our siding mount a nice dark brown, which is great for northern latitudes and high elevations. I have my mount ready and my holes pre-drilled and my 3-inch deck screws started. I put in one of my top middle screws first. Then I use my level to make sure it's perfect before I put in the rest of the screws. All of our bat houses have a rear vent, and that actually allows the bats to come out and cool off on our perch panels. We have to add some scratches to the back of the bat house so bats have something to cling to when they come out. The bat house will get attached to our siding mounts using the Timberlock screws at the top, the 2 deck screws at the bottom, and you'll need a 5/16" socket bit for your drill. Now that our bat house is all set up, we always say just add bats for good luck. Remember to go to batmanagement.com for more batty how-to videos.